A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Myself, Ghulam Nabi Mir, Master Boys Higher Secondary School, Lalpura. Now I am delivering lecture of class 9th on subject mathematics. Today our topic is triangles congruous by right hand side criterion rule. Dear students, our question number 4 of exercise 7.3 is BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC using a right hand side congruous rule. Prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. ABC is a triangle. BE is altitude on side AC and CF is altitude on side AB. It makes 90-degree angle. BE makes 90-degree angle on side AC and CF makes 90-degree angle on side AB. Solution. Two triangles BCF and CBE, we have angle BFC is equal to angle CEB. BFC, this angle, is equal to CEB, this angle, each 90 degree. Hypotenuse BC of triangle BFC is equal to hypotenuse BC of triangle CEB. Common. CF is equal to BE given in the question. Therefore, by right hand side criterion of congruence, we have triangle BCF is congruent to triangle CBE. Triangle BCF, this triangle, is congruent CEB, this triangle. So, angle FBC, this angle, is equal to angle BCF. BCE, because corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. ABC, this angle is equal to ACB, because sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. Then AB is equal to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now we will start another question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular on BC to show that angle B is equal to angle C. ABC is triangle and AP is perpendicular on side BC. And triangles ABAPB, this triangle APB and APC, this triangle. AB is equal to AC given isosceles triangle. This side is equal to this side. AP is equal to AP common. Angle APB and angle APB, this angle is equal to angle APC, each 90 degree. Therefore, by a right hand side criterion of congruence, triangle ABP is congruent triangle ACP. ABP, this triangle is equal to ACP, this triangle. Angle B is equal to angle C. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. Hence, proved.